Hey guys, welcome to Curious Rohan, and today I will tell you how to make a wireless switch or a remote control switch kit. So watch till end. Click on subscribe, press the bell icon to never miss a video from Curious Rohan. For this you need a remote control toy. You can use any remote control car, robot, which have two switches, one forward and another one is reverse. When you open the car or the toy, you will find a kit in the toy which is like that. It have 4 wires. One is black, yellow, red and the green. Connect the black with the battery holder, black of battery holder, red with the red of battery holder, green with the blue output and yellow with the red output. Always care that the colors are in same condition. Clip with battery, and the 2 wires works like the source, a DC source, and this kit works like a switch, and this remote works like a remote. You can use the remote of toy, or you can change the cover of that remote as you wish. And if you want to amplify the signals, you can use a transistor. In my coming videos I will tell you how to use a transistor to amplify the signals. Subscribe our channel to get more creative ideas, innovative videos, and press the bell icon to never miss a video from Curious Rohan. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching.